Alright, so today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you are going to generate income from CPA AI marketing and Noja. If you have been hearing it and you don't know what it's all about, today I'm going to break it down to you step by step. And if you are from Africa and other part of the countries outside Africa, so I'm going to show you what to use. You are probably not going to use it because this doesn't work in your region. Okay, let's go to my Chrome. Where's my Chrome? Okay, so let's go to my Chrome. Go to okay, this is seller. This is what you're going to use within Africa. Okay, this is what you're going to use within Africa. Any part of Africa, you can use this website to make money for yourself. And if you are outside Africa, sorry, okay, if you're outside Africa, this is what you're going to use. You can use this to make money for yourself. Look at the product you're going to use also. Okay, so and it works step by step. Okay, look at they are paying me over $200 and $29 pending. So what it means is you can use this anywhere in outside Africa. Okay, and your payment and beside if you can use PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you can also use this website if you are in Africa. Okay, and they also have other payment method you can use. So in your free time, you can just go and check the payment method about your own region, and you can also use crypto, I guess. But sorry, I use PayPal. So what you're gonna do is let's go back to the video. Let's go back to Noja. So it's the same strategy. Let me just use this one to explain everything for you. Okay. So look at your dashboard now. What you're going to see here, customer, product, transactions. Look at the bottom more and more. So when you check on transactions, transaction means the money you make. This is where you're going to be seeing it. Okay. So and before any other thing, let me show you something also. So the first thing you're going to do now is to download the app. Okay, is to download the app and get the CPA AI link. Okay, so when you come to me, I will send you the link. So don't worry how you're going to use the link. I'm going to show you step by step before the end of the video. So the number one thing is to download Noja. Go to Google Play Store, click on Noja, just type Noja 360. Okay, you can see the app here, Noja 360. Okay, since I click open, it just directs me to my app. So what you're going to do now is you can see, like I was explaining, transaction. Any money you make, there will be recorded here. So this is where you will know you are making money. So the next step is product. So what is product? Before I click on it, let me explain it to you. Product is what you are going to use to make money on Noja. So you will buy the product as a cheap rate and flip it to your own preferred price. You can put any price of your choice and use it the way you like. I bought my own 5k and duplicate I duplicate the product. So one is 7k and the second one is 5k. Let me show you. And the second one I just put the normal price 5k. You can see it. Okay. So the 5k product which have made me over 4 million already. Okay. This one have made me over 4 million. The 7k product, it has made me over 1 million already. Okay, so what you're going to do now is when you get the product, you will put it on your account. So that is how it works. Okay, that is how it works, and that is what you're going to use to generate income online. So let me show you another thing again. You can see my balance is 9,000. 9,000 is my current balance. Let's check transactions, payout and income, the money I have withdrawn so far, and you can see my balance, which is 9k. Once you click this request payment, everything will go directly to my bank account. Okay, So that is how it works step by step. All you need, you can see other option, payment option or every other thing, okay? But the ones you are going to be using is this your payment option. So this is how it takes for you to start generating income online with it. And if you are buying the product, make sure the product is from CPA AI marketing. Okay, so look at how the link should look like. CPA AI marketing.noja. CPA AI marketing.noja. There is nothing. Look at my dashboard now, you will see. That is how the link you are buying the product should look like. So CPI marketing.noja. Let's go to Google and type it. Let's type CPA AI marketing. Okay, you click on it. So when you click on it and scroll down, look at the link I'm talking about. This is the link you should. There should be nothing at the front of that marketing before dot noja. Hope you understand now. Okay, let's scroll down. Let me show you. Look at this one, CPA AI marketing HTS. Okay, these are not the link we are looking for. You are looking for a proper link so that you will not do mistake, because there are most people who make a mistake, and if possible you can come to my inbox, let me send you the correct link that you will use step by step. So if you are struggling to make money online, you want a real way to make real money online, this is the best business model that will ever happens to you online. So hope you understand now. I took my time to explain this business model for you, so you will not struggle online. You will not stress and make mistake buying product that will not benefit you. Okay, so this is how it works step by step. Like I said, the number one thing is to download the Noja app and get the product from CPA AI marketing link. You can come to my inbox and I'll send you the link that you are going to use. Okay, so that is how it works step by step. So hope you understand now, so that you will not make any mistake. So I think this is how the system works. All you need is to just follow the right instructions. So if you have been looking for make money with Noja and CPI marketing, this is the best thing. And before I forget, when you purchase the product, it comes with a video tutorial that is going to put you through step by step. Or now you are going to set up your account here. How you're going to do it step by step to avoid mistake, because once you make a mistake, you will not be able to withdraw your money, because it's a mistake, and they will spam it and they will see it as spam or those kind of stuff. So all you need, you can come to my inbox, so I will put you through step by step. Okay, hope you understand how it works now. And if you have any question, you can come to my inbox, so I will let you know on how to go about it. Okay, have a wonderful time.